Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Before y'all leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you do enjoy this video. So today I'm going to be washing my hair. If you guys saw my last video, I applied this color to my hair. If you want to see how I did that, go ahead and check that video out. I'll leave it up in the cards. Today I'm going to show you guys how I wash my hair after applying color. So this is how my hair has pretty much been sitting ever since I applied the color. So I'm just going to go ahead and first start off by just taking off my plastic cap. And this is what my hair is looking like. So I'm just going to go ahead and start washing my hair now. And as you guys can see, this is what you guys will look forward to if you dye your hair. The color gets everywhere. I'm telling you, it gets everywhere. So right now I'm just rinsing my hair out, and then after this I'm going to go in with the shampoo. I'm going to show you guys the products that I'm going to be using as I use them. So after this I'm going to go ahead, like I said, and shampoo my hair, and then we'll go with the next steps. So the shampoo that I'm going in with is L'Oreal Paris Elvive Color Vibrant Sheet Protecting Shampoo. And I'm using this just because this is the shampoo that I like to use when I color my hair. It keeps my hair nice and vibrant. It keeps the color in my hair longer. It doesn't have it fade as often. So that's why I use this shampoo here. So really this is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just using this and I'm washing my hair like I normally would. And I'm going to wash it until I see no more like color residue coming out. And then I'll go in with the next steps, which will be the deep conditioner. So now I'm going in with my favorite deep conditioner, which you guys, if you guys will watch my videos for a while, you know I'm an Aussie ride or die. You know Aussie is that chick. So this is pretty much the deep conditioner I use all the time. So I'm just going to apply this. This is the avocado one. And I'm just going to apply the generous amount to my hair. As you guys saw, I applied a generous amount. I'm going to leave this in for about 10 minutes. And then I'll come back and we'll go with the next steps. And also, while this deep conditioner I'm working it in my hair, I'm also doing a little bit of finger detangling just to make sure that my hair is nice and detangled. This deep conditioner, if you guys haven't used Aussie Moisture, you guys need to try it. It's amazing. It has so much slip and my fingers are just gliding through my hair. So I love to use this to detangle my hair as well. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this plastic bag to my hair. I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and rinse it out, and then we'll go with the next steps. Alright, so you guys, it's been about 10-15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. I'm going to start by just taking the shower cap. This is not a shower cap, y'all. This plastic bag off my hair, and this is pretty much what my curls are looking like now. As you guys can see by my face, I have the satisfaction guarantee. That's the look of a satisfied customer, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this conditioner out. Okay, now that conditioner is all rinsed out, I'm going to go ahead and just lightly just rinse out some of the water that's in my hair so that I can go in next with my leave-in. I like to apply my leave-ins in the shower just because they apply a little better. So the leave-in that I'm going with today is my, what leave-in? The Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. I use this. Works pretty good on my hair as of yet. If you guys don't know this already, I'm very cheap. I like a good deal. I like a good sale. I like a cheap product that works well. And this just works well on my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this generously to my hair. Work that in. Alright you guys, so we're coming down to the end of this wash day, the end of this video, and this is my little happy dance, y'all. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. The last portion of this is I'm going to just go ahead and wrap my hair up in a t-shirt and let it air dry for the rest of the day pretty much. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.